Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the full-time eyeshadow palette by Complex Culture. I got this from Ipsy Add-ons. I'm just showing you the back of the package. It says that this is ideal for light to medium skin tones. I didn't know it when I purchased it, and I have pretty medium skin tone, but either way, I'm going to try it out today and show you how it looks on me. This is the packaging. It's pretty simple packaging, which I don't mind. I like it. It's nice and sleek. And then right here, this little insert is pretty cool because it explains what kind of brushes you should use, and I think it helps out people who are beginners with makeup. And the color story is broken down to 3 sections: 3 shadows for workwear, 3 for brunch, and 3 for night out. I went ahead and mixed it my own way, and it's a pretty light color story, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys. We get 9 total eyeshadows. In here, the shimmers are really pretty. Some of the mattes, obviously, as you can see, blend into my skin. Don't mind my dry skin. I have eczema, but here's the way they look on my skin. And then we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so as always, I'm first going to go ahead and prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade white, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my lids. Next, I'm taking a fluffy blending brush, and this is a Morphe M433 brush, in case you're wondering, but it's just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Mauve right there, and I'm just honestly going to apply this to my crease and blend it upwards. I know that this shade is not going to be super colorful on my skin, so that's why I'm taking a blending brush to kind of just have it as a base for the rest of my look, because I'm focusing my look on the shimmers, and I'm just going to apply this to my crease and just blend it upwards. And dragging the color a little bit higher on my lid. As you can see, I'm really taking my time with this because I just want it to look really nice. But yeah, this color is not super bright on my eyes, but this palette is being marketed as like a full-time, I guess, workwear eyeshadow palette. So I can't blame them for it. So I just took my time blending that, and I'm kind of using it as a base, like I said. And then we're going to head into the shimmer pretty soon. So for my shimmer, I picked that beautiful shimmer at the bottom, Lavender Metal, and I just think this will go perfectly with that mauve color, because I guess it has hints of purple because it says lavender, and you'll see on my eye, it's so pretty, it's so gorgeous. And I'm using my pinky just because I want to be very precise. I don't want to be too messy, but after I apply it with my small finger, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it with the brush. So now that I've perfected the application of my shimmer, I went and dipped into that shade Caramel, just because this is the deepest shade in the palette and I needed some dimension. And I'm using a very small blending brush. This is from Luxie, and I'm applying this on the outer corner of my eye and blending it upwards and into my crease. I kind of struggled a little bit with this because I like contrast in my eyeshadow looks, but again, this is marketed as like a workwear eyeshadow palette, so it's to be expected. But this was the warmest and the deepest shade in the palette, and I'm just slowly building up that color and blending it into my crease. Okay, so I think I'm pretty satisfied with that so far. I'm gonna go ahead and, using my blending brush, I'm gonna dip into Mauve again, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of my eyeshadow everywhere. then I couldn't decide what to use for my lower lash line, so I just went with mauve first using a lid brush. And I used a lid brush just to kind of see if I could get more color, and I applied a little bit. I kind of didn't get much color payoff as I was expecting, but then I went back and dipped into caramel and added a little bit, and just gave up on getting like a full smoky effect at all. But again, that was expected with the kind of eyeshadow palette that it is. But I just wanted to apply something to my lower lash line so that it wouldn't be bare. Now, as a finishing touch, I'm gonna take a small lid brush and go into Lavender Meadow, that shimmer again, and just apply a little bit more to my inner corner, even though I have enough already. And then I'm gonna apply just a little bit to underneath my brow bone. And I was being very careful with this because I didn't know how it would look, but it turned out beautifully. I really loved it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some finishing touches to my look, and I'll be back to show you how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how it turned out. I went for a very dramatic eyeliner just because I felt like the eyeshadow look was very simple, and the liner kind of made it a lot more interesting, and I totally fell in love with that shimmer after applying my liner. But yeah, this is the way it turned out. I like this palette. I wasn't expecting it to be so light as it is, but I do like it, and I'm glad that I have it in my collection. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe before you go so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.